It's news time. Information is power. Be current. The news headline. If you like, amend the charges. We are prepared for fireworks. Nnamdi Kanu, lawyer, tells FG. The news in full. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lead counsel for the embattled leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has asked the federal government of Nigeria and others to expect legal fireworks on Thursday. He also said that the IPOB legal team was eminently prepared. He said this while reacting to the amended charges by the federal government of Nigeria against his client, Nnamdi Kanu. In an update posted on his Facebook page, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor also said his client was in high spirits ahead of his arraignment on 21st of October 2021, the detained leader of IPOB had asked millions of his supporters to embark on a dry fast. However, we had earlier reported that the federal government of Nigeria filed an amended 7-count charge against Nnamdi Kanu, according to one of his lawyers known as Maxwell Okpara. Barrister Maxwell Okpara stated this in a short interview with journalists on the premises of the Federal High Court in Abuja when he accompanied Senator Ifeanyi Ubah to file a motion on notice seeking an order granting him to leave to visit Nnamdi Kanu in the custody of the Department of State Services DSS. The federal government of Nigeria has filed an amended 7-count charges against Nnamdi Kanu, Barrister Maxwell Okpara told journalists. And reacting to the developments, Nnamdi Kanu's lead counsel, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, said, "My colleague, Barrister Aloy Ejimako, and I had a fruitful visitation to Unyedu Nnamdi Kanu. We discussed a wide range of matters, especially concerning hearing in his case an appearance in October 24, 2021 at the court. There will be more on this later. The coast is now clear for fireworks legally this Thursday, 21st October 2021, particularly now that we have been served with a purported amended charge in the case. We are eminently prepared for the Thursday outing and you won't be disappointed." Unyedu Nnamdi Kanu is in good spirits, awaiting a auspicious outing on Thursday, 21st day of October 2021. He commended those who are in spirit with him while declaring that Chukwu Okike Abiyama has ordered this special day for a victorious outing. He requested that the fasts, supplications, and prayers should continue, as he noted that they were strongly impacting positively. He further implored Chineke to be steadfast and keep their eyes steadily on the ball and pray without seasons, while believing very strongly that the present situation would also pass as well, and it shall end in praises. This Thursday is the D-Day, and your solidarity and support must be demonstrated within the confines of the law, as you have always shown. Unyedu Nnamdi Kanu specifically asked us, as is his legal team, to extend his undiluted confidence. For Chineke, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor stated, while also saying that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu himself, has appealed to his followers to ensure that they do not criticize, mock, or disturb his lawyers, that is his legal representatives, if truly they love him and want him to be free. And this, in reflection of the aforesaid, remember that the legal representative escorted Ifeanyi Ubah to the court to submit his suit, questioning why the DSS had actually disturbed him or denied him entrance, in paying Nnamdi Kanu visits at their facility. Security issues and violence in Southeast is a disservice to the Federal Republic of Nigeria that I visited and intend to visit the defendant in my capacity as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and for purposes of attempting to ameliorate and fashion a meeting point or create a discussion table aimed at reducing tension and quelling the agitation and killings in the southeast. That the visit is part of my oversight legislative function, which I am empowered by the Constitution of Nigeria to perform. That I state my interest in seeking to see the defendant is in the interest of national peace and security, the affidavit stated. And this is a senator, that is Ifeanyi Uba, dragging DSS to court and making a strong demand that the DSS actually stopped him from visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is actually the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, saying that he actually wanted to see him because it was part of his legislative duty as a senator, representing his constituency, and this was guaranteed. This was guaranteed by his legal constitutions, even as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that he actually needed to even do that to make sure that he gets to the root of the insecurity going on in the southeastern region by seeing the defendant, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and asking him about the allegations that he's actually behind the horrors and mayhem going on in the southeastern part of the country. And also that he's seeing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is to look for a way to amicably settle everything that is going on in the southeast for the overall interest of Nigerians, and that at the DSS detention facility he was denied access to see the defendant, and meanwhile he was just going there to ensure that he provides solutions to the lingering sit-at-home orders, security issues and violence in the southeast, which is actually which the denial was actually a disservice to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that the purposes of the visit was even sacrosanct because it was actually attempting to look for a situation where there can be a discussion table aimed at reducing tension and quelling agitations and killing in the southeast, and that the visit is part of his own legislative function as empowered by the Constitution of the Republic of Nigeria, and this is actually has been on now just because October 24th, 2021 was actually set aside for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be tried at the court of law, and very soon, that is Thursday, it would actually come to a manifestation because even the lawyer himself, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, has actually talked about this same thing that you are talking, that where Ifeanyi Ejiofor himself talked about the federal government, not attending to a lawsuit that he filed against them. They were not able to quickly defend it. They brought their defending suits, about 5 days late to that time, and the legal counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has actually said that this was actually not constitutional enough and that it was wrong from the side of the federal government, and the Habia court had actually ruled in the favor of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that this should actually happen, although because of the court being on vacation for quite a while now, they had not been able to address this situation as they ought to have addressed it. But the lawyer has said that come October 24th, 2021, it is already a victory for them because the court has no law. They have no legal ground or any legal backing to nail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and prosecute him, to still remain in court, although they have added about 7 count charges to these charges against him, bordering about treasonable felony and also possession of illegal arms. And these are the happenings as regards Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at the DSS facility, hoping that October 24, 2021 would actually bring a solution to the mayhem going on in the southeastern parts of the country. Thanks for listening.